I'm Pat Sloan. I want to show you how easy it is to do fusible applique. I've got this in a lot of my books. I love fusible applique. It's wonderful for any level of quilt maker. So here is the final product, which I have a background, one applique square with another applique square. So what I'm doing is for soft fusible applique, I use a product, this is Heat and Bond Light, and I've traced my square. And then what I want to do to make it nice and soft is I want to remove this part. So I would take the scissors and just cut out the middle here, and I will show you what that looks like. So here is how it looks when you cut it out. The middle will be soft because there's absolutely no fusible in this part. So it's always going to stay soft and pliable. This, from the line to this edge here, is what will be under your stitching if you're doing a blanket stitch, or this will just be the part that's holding it down to the background. And I like to think of that as like a basting line. So when I have this all cut out the middle and I fuse it to my applique shape, remember there's what it is, I will then cut on the line because this is raw edge. So here I would do is take my scissors and just cut all the way around. After that, I would put it down on my background and press it again to melt the fusible and make it ready to stitch. This particular sample is stitched with just a straight stitch. So you can do that if you prefer. It's nice and clean and simple, and a fast and fun way to do fusible applique.